Good morning. We got out here and worked on this new Honda Grom 2025. Put a little light kit on it. Got some up front, some behind the fairing. Up underneath the headlight here on that side of the fairing. Come to the back. Got one at the bottom of the swing arm there. And got three up on this side. This is a new rider. Customer's starting his motorcycle venture on a Grom. So we got in these lights. They do have the brake integrated. So when you actually go to the brakes, they will turn red with the brake light. Also, got the flicker on the back, the rapid brake. So when he's braking, people can see him. Good little bike to start on. The kit's just off Amazon.